Okay, ready? Set. This is the Husqvarna, the brand new brand new electric saw from Husqvarna, the 542 XP. This one is a little bit different than the first one because, I don't know if you can hear that, this has a clutch instead of the key drive like the older saw does. So it has a lot more of a like gas powered feel, I guess is how they're marketing it. This is actually the second job I've used it on. I used it the other day, but the job was like, it wasn't good for YouTube. It was like confined spaces and stuff. Anyway, so this is actually a second job. So I already know that I like this. This isn't really a review because I already know that I really like this, so I just want to show you it. So this is kind of an interesting job. It's not that exciting, but this is kind of interesting. So I came out here, this was a few weeks ago. My bucket truck is 60 feet tall. And so I looked at these trees a while ago and I was like, yeah, I can cut these down. You see these wires, they're kind of in this cherry. I was like, oh yeah, I can avoid those with my bucket truck. But I didn't really take a good enough look because I got to this point in the row and my bucket's 60 feet. These are like 100 feet tall, and I don't know if you can tell, those are big wires, big hot wires, and these tops lean over. And these are not old, but they're topped cottonwoods. They're really tall, spindly, noodly. If I tried lowering the tops, they'd hit the wires. If I tried climbing them, I'd be over the wires, and they're already really weak and brittle, so I got too scared, so I just came down. I didn't want to because it was only a $2,000 job. Well, it was actually, yeah, it was only a $2,000 job. Basically a while ago, what I did was I cut down half of these for $2,000, and then I came back later and did the other half for $2,000. So like $4,000 job total, but on two separate occasions. Anyway, so the second occasion, it was only a $2,000 job. It was down only in the bucket truck, so I really didn't want to have to leave and come back and everything, but I just didn't think it was worth the risk, even though it's not a big money job. It was too dangerous. So I came down, I was trying to figure it out. So I was like, what am I gonna do about these trees? Because my bucket truck is too short and I don't want to climb them. So then I reached out to FMI. I bought my Avant from them, and I was like, hey, I'd love to demo one of your spider lifts. And Joe brought this out for me. So this is a 92-foot lift, and now I'm very confident that you know, I should be able to get the rest of these trees. But this thing is pretty awesome. It's really compact. You can actually, I think, how does this go through a 36-inch gate? Yeah, so
tracks suck in, the outriggers fold up.
Yeah, so the tracks actually suck in. This will go through a 36-inch gate, and it's 92 feet tall. So we're talking 32 feet taller than my bucket truck, which is pretty wild. So I'm gonna finish these trees with this lift. So that's kind of how I got here at these lifts. They're not that big, but I just want to show you this battery powered saw because the thing is, it's super rad. Anyway, so I'm gonna get to it now.
You won't need the remote, obviously.
That's so you can ride it from the ground?
It's just more or less storage for it. Oh yeah, yeah, the remote. Yeah. So like, especially if you're going through a gate tight area.
Oh, driving it.
You got to do side hilling, because another cool thing is the track's sucked up like that. So if you got the side hill.
Oh really?
Suck one side in, so it's.
Oh wow.
So it's awesome. For the, and you can have the outriggers pretty close to the ground while you're tracking it, just in case it does want to slide or tip. It'll catch itself. Kubota, same thing that's in your Avant, or home button actually. So if you're up there, you want to shut it off.
Oh, that's cool. That's awesome.
If you're up there and you're like, okay, I'm done for the day, I got to use the bathroom, got to get fuel, got to do whatever.
Yeah.
Push and hold your home button. And
yeah. Oh, awesome. So, and I forgot. Yeah, new saw demoing this. I forgot this is Isaac here. Isaac is my new apprentice. So he just started a few days ago. Yep. So yeah, so that's new too. How you liking it so far? He moved all the way from Idaho, Pocatello, Idaho, yeah, to come out here. Different. All right. So I just turn it on, right?
Yep. Pull the toggle up.
Yeah.
And then go that way with it. Should.
Oh, okay.
These outriggers have two positions, and I have them narrow, so it should give you more lateral reach.
Okay.
It may not let you swing, you know, the chimney, but you should be able to.
Okay.
Grab it.
Yeah, this thing is quite a bit different. This is down. Or am I going? How do I go up? Man, I'm so confused. Okay, lower boom, up like this. There we go. I think it. Ah, there it is. All right. Oh, dude, this thing's tall. Oh yeah. Now we're talking. Oh my gosh. Sweet. Yeah, buddy. Dude, this thing is way up here. Oh my gosh, now I want one. All right, am I good to go? I'm just gonna cut these really small, just throw them to the side. Dude, this is way taller than my bucket truck. Drop zone's pretty tight though. It's a tight drop zone. Oh. Whew. All right, throwing down a spear. Whoa. Headache. 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 No bog down, no lag. Awesome cutting. Oh, home button. Yeah, this thing is sweet.
Thanks for getting used to it.
I think it would take about a week of like running it to really get fluid at it. We either need to just shift it a little bit, or so if you set the outriggers out, you can get more side reach, and if you set them forward, you get more front reach.
I almost say we bring it over a foot or two so we have enough room on that side to kick your outriggers out.
Okay. Back at the top. Hey, Isaac, will you make sure nobody parks in this parking spot over here? If they do, all right, one tree brushed out. Man, the soft rips. Okay. Yeah, look at this. No stalling. stalling. If you guys remember the first battery Husky, I mean, it really stalls out, like if you push it hard. This one you can really push on. Really good throttle control too. Like a headache. See if I can reach this. I'm going up even higher. Look at it, I'm going up even higher. All right, dude. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh wow. Holy moly. This is awesome. Throw it at the wires. It's like, can I go over here? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about, dude. Yeah, I'm starting to get the hang of this thing. Yeah, man, add this machine to the list of stuff that I want. I can't believe I'm getting all the way up here. Dude, this is so freaking awesome. Look at those big wires. This is like so nice. Big. Still got one bar left. See if we can finish this tree. You know, I'd climb 1,000 miles. Gosh, dude, it's like never ending. This thing just keeps going. This is so cool. Hell yeah. Thing is wiggling when you're all the way up here. All right, brushed out, boys. Well, not quite here. Come on, get. Now we brushed out. I'm pretty pumped on this machine, dude. I'm like super impressed by this thing. Headache. Look. I think this is my new favorite top handle. Yeah, man, this thing kicks butt. I don't know if it's actually lighter, but it sure, it's weird because it feels lighter, if that makes sense. Because you're not starting it a bunch of times and stuff. I don't know if it's actually light. It might be lighter, I don't know. It's just more user-friendly. Headache. Although it makes a big difference. Right now I got the small battery in there. When you put the big battery in, you get a lot more battery life, but it's quite a bit heavier. I feel like we're in like a golden age of top handles, honestly. There are so many good ones now. There's the Echo, the gas Husky, the electric Husky. Headache. I just don't know what's with... Still make such good saws, but their top handles are like... not that good. One more. Headache. Yeah, I'm blinking, I'm at it. So I did all that on one battery. Yeah, I need another battery. Alright. Cute. So I did all that on one battery. Let's see. How am I doing on bar oil? I've actually got a lot of bar oil left. I need to adjust this bar though. It's the rails are slightly. Fire rails down. I like it, Joe. I like it a lot.
Glad we can get it done for you.
Yeah, this thing is sweet.
A little bit slower than a bucket truck. But
Yeah, I like it. It's smoother than a bucket though. I like that when you let go, it doesn't just stop. It like slows down. Actually, can I get that 261? this is the thing I hate about 325 chain. It just lines up with just a little bit of softness. Hey, Isaac, you see this goofy one in the very corner? Can you follow this one and I'll push it? The cottonwood is really sticks inside the bar with that little tiny chain. Annoying. Got it. Yeah. I'm a lift man now. I don't cut from the ground. Yeah, that's below me. I'm just gonna get one of these, read every job and just point.
You hold the home button?
Yeah. Home button's like the best part. Thanks, Joe. Man, that thing's compact. You can dump the bucket. Oh, that's cool. It goes up and stuff. Yeah, big thanks to FMI today. They're pretty close to my house, but they have all kinds of stuff for rent and for sale. So they sell skid steers and excavators, chippers, stump grinders, Avants, lifts, all kinds of stuff. I gotta get out of here before I spend a bunch of money. This place is, it's like I want one of everything here. It's so cool. But they really saved my butt today with that lift, man. Holy smokes. I just wanted to do a quick shootout to see how this goes. So this is we're gonna go old battery saw, and then the Husky gas saw, and then the new battery saw. So this is the old 540i. Yeah, I'll use the same batteries too, just to be consistent. This is a 16-inch bar and chain, speed cut nano. And I'm gonna use the same bar and chain for each one. And I'll actually do 2 cookies. Okay, ready? Set. What are we at?
33.4.
33 seconds. I lost a solid 3 seconds because I pushed too hard. I was applying just a little bit of pressure, put too much pressure on, and stalled the motor out. That's the disadvantage of this saw. And that's why I tend not to chunk with this saw, because if you actually push down on it, you will stall out the motor. Ratchet scrunch available at sappysupplies.com. One side fits Husky, one side fits Still. This thing is awesome. I really expect this. Oh, by the way, this is dead big leaf maple. It's actually pretty hard stuff when it's dead. This saw is probably gonna win the contest. Oh. 14 seconds, 14, 17. What was the other one, 34?
Yeah.
It's like 20 seconds faster. Yeah, this saw rips. This saw has a lot of power. I think it's 40 cc's. Dang, that was fast actually. This saw is awesome. And it's actually slightly lighter than the 201 too. This saw is crazy. Yeah, the other battery saw is not gonna beat that. I don't know any saw that could beat that, to be honest. Like, I've got 2 ported 200Ts. This saw cuts faster than them. I've been a huge fan of the 200s forever, but this saw cuts faster. I mean, I still like the 200s, but I almost feel like we're entering a golden age of top handles, because it seems like there's so many good top handles, like this gas Husky, the new Husky battery saw, the Echo, the 2511. Like, we have so many good options now, and I'll be honest with you, I love steel, as some people will say, but I actually don't like a single steel top handle that they've made since the 200T. I just don't enjoy running a 201. I don't know what it is about it. I mean, they're good saws, but I don't personally enjoy running them. All right, final test with the 542. Yeah, I put a brand new bar and chain on it. Yesterday, my bar was kind of not cutting that. It was cutting good with the tip and everything, but if I buried the bar, it wasn't cutting that good. I think that was my first Speed Cut Nano bar at these couple of years. I think it's slightly bent, so this bar is actually cutting pretty good. So, all right, you ready, Isaac? $27.95. The other one was 34, so it's not a gas saw, but and I was pushing really hard on it too. You know, well, I was pushing relatively hard on all of them. The gas saw obviously doesn't care. This one, I mean, you can saw it out if you push really hard, but I'm like really pushing to do that. Whereas the other one, you just push a little bit and does so 28 seconds pretty much. So yeah, so like 6 seconds faster than the other one. So pretty good. I really like the saw. I mean, they don't cut as fast as gas, but they cut pretty darn good, and they're so user friendly. You know, you're not having to start it, it's quiet. So I'm a big fan of the battery saws. I think they have their place. If I gotta chunk down something really big and gnarly, I still want a gas saw, but I mean, this is a 16-inch bar too, so big bar for this battery saw. But you know, my overall thoughts, I really like this saw a lot. I'll probably be using this a lot. I actually don't mind chunking wood with it because it doesn't do that. It doesn't stop when you push on it. So I'll probably be using this saw a lot. I like it. I'll give it 2 thumbs up. So thanks for watching this. Thanks for filming, Isaac. You're doing a good job. And please check out sappysupplies.com. And yeah, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.